Today I'm going to be showing you my kitchen, and a word for that is called kitchen toy. So here goes. Over here we have shoes and stuff like that. And then we have chairs and stuff. We don't have to do it because we're very new here. So yeah. Dashboard, door, stick to all of them. Literally everything. Right here in this door, you'll see just random extra food for emergencies and the refrigerator. If you would like to see the inside, alright, here's the inside. That's all I got for now since we've already moved here. And for the top freezer, all I got. And I guess that's all for the room tour. And stay tuned to see next time for living room tour. Bye guys.